Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those that are new here, I'm Claudia and I share the behind scenes of my process for my small business. Today I'll be showing you the process of how I make stickers for my illustrations. As an illustrator, stickers are a great way to showcase your art and share with others. I hope that you enjoy watching the process, and now with no further ado, let's get started. The first thing that I normally do is to start a sketch. I do my sketches straight on Procreate, but I know a lot of other artists do it on a sketchbook. Either way is fine. For some reason, I find myself being more creative late at night, so most of my ideas come to me when I'm in bed. So I just relax and I start sketching right then. After I finish with a sketch, I do the line art and I pick the color palette that I want to color the stickers. This and adding textures and shades are my favorite part of any illustration. I'm so happy how this one turned out. It's just so adorable. Now that all the illustrations are ready, I transfer them to my computer and I open my Silhouette Studio. And the first thing I do on the new page is adjust the page by making sure that registrations marks are on and that the inset is all the way to the minimum, so you just need to move it to the left. To add an illustration, you need to go to File and merge the illustration or illustrations that you would like to turn into stickers. Personally, I like to just make a whole page of the same sticker. If the image appears a little too small or too big, you just need to adjust it so you can see it better. What I recommend doing is the following step. I go to the Trace panel, I select the image, move the threshold all the way to 100% and the trace style to the outer trace. Then I open the Offset panel and I click Offset and I adjust it to the thickness that I feel happy with. After that, I select everything and I just merge it. As you can see here, I have a perfect white border. Now I just make sure that I'm happy with the size and I duplicate and arrange the illustrations to fit as many as I can without overlapping them. The sticker paper that I use is this PPD matte inkjet creative media. I'm really happy with the results. And I also use this weatherproof sticker paper from Online Labels. These are two of my favorite ones. The printer that I use is a Canon Pixma TS9520. This is an older printer, but it works great and I'm really happy with the quality the Canon printers provide you. Depending on your printer, you might have to play with the colors. For some reason, since I use a Mac, my colors sometimes come a little dull, so I always adjust the saturation, the contrast, and the brightness. After the stickers are printed, I place the sheet on the cutting mat, and I'm also gonna cover it with a laminate sheet with sparkles so it can have some shine. And I'm cutting the corners so I don't cover any of the registration marks, so I don't have any issues with the cutting machine. This is the tricky part. What I do is I peel the corner and I put it right by the registration mark, of course, without covering it, and I slide it little by little, but with a lot of pressure so I don't get any bubbles or any wrinkles. This might take you some practice, but you will get it. Now it's time to feed the cutting mat to my Cameo 4. I adjust the settings to my preference and I press send to start cutting the stickers. Keep in mind that you might have different cutting settings depending on the kind of sticker paper that you're using and also your machine. So it's a trial and error until you find the right settings for you. Once they are all cut, I dust them off and I remove the excess paper. This is the most satisfying part of removing the paper from any of the stickers. To get them off the cutting mat, I bend the mat to reduce any curling on my stickers. So here they are. They turn out so cute. They are so sparkly. Here, look at this one. It's so cute with all the mushrooms and the little snail on his head. I'm really happy how they all turn out. This one especially, the one that they're drinking some coffee together. Now I'm just gonna finish cutting the rest of the stickers that I illustrated so that I can take some pictures, and after that I can upload them to my shop so I can have them ready for my shop update next week. Thanks for watching. I hope this video inspired you to make your own stickers and explore your creativity side. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss a new upload. Thank you so much, and I will see you soon. Bye.